Look at the size of that bad boy. That's a Renault. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Got some more. We've got loads of different vehicles. So many vehicles. It's unreal. This should be an interesting video because we're all at rush hour right now. So we should be getting a lot of traffic. Don't step into the puddle. I won't. Beep. Oh. I don't know if some people know how to drive. We've got a black taxi cab here. Hello. Got a bus in the background. These are pretty awesome. Below me there, I don't think it wants to come down. Mr. Vroom Vroom. We've got home bargains over there as well. Look at loads of vehicles. Oh, they're going down a bit now. Someone on a bike. Doesn't know what he's doing yet. Some daffodils here. Look at these daffodils. Someone playing truth or dare with a look at a lorry. Somebody playing truth or dare with a car. Skip truck as well. We're getting there slowly.